Kiram tang pai pai ni phai krep liar ni ara por phai kre sira chitim malom pen Deopani College campus along kechengsi Deopani College Alumni Meet lapen Ingdeng krepho Social Freshers Meet 2024 ajai mek kepaman pon. Bangso ahut Deopani College Social Freshers Meet ke pachun bonja phanpura Deopani College Alumni Association lapen Deopani College Students Union atum pensi sepatirpi bonlo. Bangso ahut Alwi Sarpaman pen MEC Sorban Telenga kachetong dunalong VDC Chairman Elis Teron P KACM Mukut Mahanta Deopani College Principal Buson Rongphar G1 B lapen Arnam lang PKC Anil Teron atum chetong dun.
First ever Deopani College Alumni Meet. Kiri karlan long sami ajat long sami tum kachik sak thepi sitame lo so apne pen ajat non bun sami tum chai lo kasi non bang ke program dam bom lang bon sami commission je phansi ni tum sami arna
aru amar Deopani College prothombar babe alumni meet pota hoise logote ami freshers 15 freshers meet patisu aru eya patute যথেষ্ট কষ্ট হৈছে যিখিনি এক্স ষ্টুডেণ্ট আছিলে তেওঁলোকেও যথেষ্ট কণ্ট্ৰিবিউট কৰিছে যিয়ে যি পাৰে মানে ধৰক এতিয়া কোনোবাই পানী দিছে কোনোবাই পিঁয়াজ দিছে কোনোবাই মিঠাতেল দিছে তেনেধৰণে যোনে যি পাৰে সেয়া দিছে ষ্টাফেও আমাক সহায় কৰিছে আৰু ফ্ৰেছাৰ্ছৰ যি কলেজৰ ফালৰ পৰা যি দিব পাৰে সেয়া আমাক দিছে তো লগতে আমাৰ যিসকল ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেটিভ আছে আমাৰ ইয়াৰ তেখেতলোকেও আমাক যথেষ্ট সহায় কৰিছে সেয়াই
Deopani College a principal Boson Rongphar pen Pherangkya thengnu nang ki jaiduna tengki Deopani College araje ke larja phan karbyang longoton mas council pen nang kacharab dun kenang sot thepiklang athi ki thirthi balong college building anparta kapre kadure thektiklang lasini toma college phan ke se tumnang lang dunang hilang pusi ninje pon.
For the first time is celebrating the first ever Deopani College Alumni Meet come 15 Social Freshers Meet with the cooperation of the ex-students and the students of Deopani College, especially the union body of Deopani College, and with the help of Deopani College governing body, MSc and EM, and VDC chairman and all the well-wishers of Deopani constituency, we could make it this day a grand one and a memorable one. As per the higher education guideline, the college is to establish Students Alumni Association. So finally, we have established this particular committee in the month of July. Within 1 month, they work day in and day out and make it the day the dream realized today.
Ajat sitame bangso sai ki pachun jia phana bangke lada kacharli bom osomara tumpen danglok thegre muchora tumpen BDN ponsi bangso jai mega bangke pachun pondu puta ningje ponchu. News report KTV News.